Hello 40 Pinters, welcome back and thanks for watching. Hope you're all staying safe and well. So water makes up about 95% of home brewing. If you drink your tap water in your area, then you're okay to brew with it. If it tastes a bit chlorine-y where you live, you only want to use filtered water. Just don't use any distilled water, as this takes the minerals out that your yeast needs to help it grow. Another step to improve your beer kits is to replace the yeast sachet that comes with your kits. Unfortunately, you don't know how old the yeast is, what type of yeast it is either, and there are better alternatives online. Just double check with your homebrew shop and they'll be able to tell you which one will complement your beer kits. Yeast doesn't just provide alcohol and CO2 for your beer, it also provides its own flavours and characters to your beer, so buying a different yeast will create different flavours for your homebrew. There are lots of different beer kits out there in the market, so it's pretty inevitable that some are going to be on the shelves longer than others. Malt extract does get stale over time. It won't produce any bad beers, but it will affect the flavours, so always double check them best before dates. As I mentioned in another video, brewing short to about 20 litres will not only improve your body of your beer, it will also improve the flavours and also the strength ABV of your homebrew. Another really good way of improving your beer kits is by dry hopping. There are lots of different hop varieties out there, but if you ask your homebrew shop or look online, you better find which best suits your style of brew. They come in pellet form, which you put directly into your fermented beer, obviously after fermentation, or you can put them in a hop bag. So I think the most obvious way of improving your beer kits is by getting a better beer kit. These are just a few examples I've found that are really good. You don't really need to tinker with them, even though some people do, obviously. You spend a little bit more money, you get better quality ingredients, you're going to get a better quality pint at the end. So last up is aging or maturing your beer. This is one of the easiest / hardest things that you can do. Trust me, once you've waited a couple of weeks you're going to be itching to try it. But if you can make it to 3, 4, 5, even 6 weeks plus, you'll definitely appreciate it at the end. Just play around with different lengths of time for your different beer styles to find out which tastes best for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments, feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for any future videos. Stay safe, everyone.